Good
Okay,
morning, sir.
good morning. Please open this book.
So today we will do question and answers.
This chapter is not completely over. Something is there.
सर
So
कौन सी बुक निकालनी
Okay,
है?
sir.
this one, supplementary reader. Chapter is the old clock shop. So before starting, let me again recollect you the things. So Roy was the deaf and dumb owner of the shop. Okay. So
I
Roy
am
was
also
deaf as well
recollect.
as dumb. Okay. So like every day he was in the shop and it was winter. There was a thin sheet of ice has covered the city. Okay. So Roy was repairing one clock. Overnight he stopped repairing and he was going to the adjoining room. So just at that time, he felt the cold wind touching him. So somebody has opened the door. So he looked back and saw two men are standing. One was young and one was old. So the young man stood at the gate and the old man came towards Roy. So Roy knew that they were not ordinary shoppers. They were robbers. Aditya, how many days you were absent? Today you are coming. Okay. Again you left the meeting. What is the problem? Okay. So from his experience, Roy could know that they were not shoppers, they were robbers. Okay. So he became angry, but he did not show his feeling. So he pretended that he did not understand anything and pushed the notepad towards them to show that he is deaf and dumb. So the man just looked at him and smiled, gave a cruel, mocking smile. So I was asking this question: why he gave a cruel, mocking noise? First thing is that he could know they are approaching a deaf and dumb person. Second thing is that they have come with a evil purpose. What is the evil purpose? To rob the shop owner. That was the evil purpose. Okay. So meanwhile, we have seen about the nature of Roy. Something is told. Roy was not a pawnbroker. He was helping people and he was giving more money to the people than their commodity. So, but he was asking for something. Okay. So, I have not started. I will tell you. So, what happened? We will proceed to the text. Meanwhile, page number 12 you see. Page number 12, last paragraph. Page number 12, last paragraph you please open. Okay. Page number 12, last paragraph. This one. This okay, this one where I put my finger,
Open sir.
this paragraph. Okay, the clocks ticked on. So meanwhile the clocks were ticking on means going on with the peculiar noise. Okay,
The
ticking on,
sounds of the
going on with
second.
the peculiar noise in the clock. Roy calmly wrote another message: have you come to pick up a clock or what? Roy knew that they were not shoppers, they were robbers. But he kept his calm. Means did not lose the kept his calm. What you understand? Did not lose his temper. Did not
That
lose his temper. So Roy did not lose his temper. He kept his calm. Okay. So
Sir, we have to write this.
yes, yes. Page number 12, please. 112 page number, not page number 10.
Opened, sir, but it can
Please,
also
what happened? It's
supplementary.
what happened? What happened? Tell me.
Sir, what
Page
is
number
book
12.
name?
Correct? Bihan is correct. Yes. What happened, Isan?
A Pact
What
with the
happened?
Sun is the book name.
Yes, yes. So then he pointed to the lower board filled with the hanging clocks and pocket watches. Because as I told you, he was not a pawnbroker, but he was keeping the things and helping the poor people by giving them more money than their commodity. So that's why, but he was deaf and dumb, so he pointed towards the board. This is the board, loan board. He showed them. So page number 13. He was not a pawnbroker. I told you in the previous class the meaning of a pawnbroker. Pawnbroker means one who keeps the things on mortgage. Mortgage means you give something. A mobile you keep, 1,000 you take. When you return the money, you will get your thing. That is called mortgaging. Mortgaging means keeping a thing and taking the money. When you repay, you are getting back your thing, but at the same time could not show no to the needy people. Needy means the poor people. So, but he was keeping something and giving them more than the price of the thing. Who placed their old watches or clocks before it for anything they could get. Because you know, if you a poor man will come with a clock, you keep this, give me some money. So, in this way, Roy was helping. He loaned more than he should. Loan means gave loan. Loan is noun, used as verb. LON, loan is noun. But when you make it verb, loan. Loan means gave loan. So he gave more money than the price. They should be there when the owners wanted them back at the same price he had paid, no interest. So pawnbroker will charge interest, but Roy was not charging any interest. So it was helping the poor people indirectly, not directly. Okay. Then the old man seemed to feel a little easier, took out his hand from his pocket and quickly looked at the watch on the wrist. How much will you give me for this? The man wrote. So the man showed the watch, wristwatch, and asked, how much will you give? Good morning, Diksha. Okay. Roy noticed
Sir?
yes.
Sir, if this question comes in true false that Ray was a pawnbroker or not, then what we will write, true or false?
Yes.
True.
True or false? Which one?
False.
Tell me the question.
Sir, if the question comes in the true false, what we have right?
Send by WhatsApp.
was
I am not able to get you.
Roy was
Send by WhatsApp. I have opened WhatsApp. Please send. Okay. Who is asking? Sunaki. Yes. Who is asking? Please send by WhatsApp. Type and send. I will tell you the answer. I am waiting. Please type and send. True or false? Roy was a pawnbroker. It is false. Okay, Nirmal, yes, tell me your doubt. Nirmal, please tell me your doubt. Sunaki Garg, yes. Roy was a pawnbroker, true or false? It is false. Dibjat, false. You please write down false. Why? Because two reasons I told. One is that the pawnbroker will not give more than the amount of the commodity or thing. One. Second one is that he will charge interest. Okay. Then you see the 1 to 3rd paragraph, page number 13. Roy noticed. Noticed means saw. NOTICED. Noticed means the meaning is saw. Saw, observed, also is noticed. Okay. Little same in the grey eyes, looking at him. Why same? Because they are robbing a man who is deaf and dumb. At the same time, he is a kind man. The men were feeling ashamed for robbing Roy because he was a deaf and dumb person, at the same time a kind person, helping the needy people. Such a man they are robbing. So the men were feeling ashamed. Ashamed means feeling
Because
ashamed.
the
Yes,
because the Roy gave more than money.
yes. More money than the thing. More money than the thing. Correct. You are correct. The watch was nothing special, yet had great powers. What is the power? If you give the watch, some money you will get. Watch was nothing small, but it has powers. What power? Because if you give for something, you will get some money, ready-made money. It was something to exchange, a way out of the bad situation. Suppose you are in a bad situation, you need money. You can take your gold or mobile phone or TV or whatever AC and tell somebody you keep this, give me something. Your land also you can ask, keep mortgage and give me something. Means if you have some possession at times of need, that is of great help. So the watch was nothing but a magical power. What is the power? To fetch some money, to get some money by this. Okay. Roy was a pawnbroker. It is Roy was not a pawnbroker. Okay. Why? Two reasons I told. Okay, knowing that great need had brought to his shop in the first place. So Roy understood the man must be in a bad situation. That's why he has come to exchange the wristwatch for the sake of some money. The man must be in bad situation. He has come to the shop to get some money. He may be somebody may be in his house may be sick, or the man may be not having money to purchase food items, etc. Roy asked, how much do you need for it? The reply came back on the notepad, whatever it's worth. Worth means price. So Roy asked immediately, how much money you expect? Yes. It will not come, but if it comes, write down no. Roy is not a pawnbroker. If it comes, write no. It is the correct answer. Okay. Roy reached into his cash box, pulled out a $50 note and passed it into the man's hand. Roy was very clever. He knew the rate of the watch was not $50, but he gave it because his nature is to give more than the things. So a $50 note he gave to the person. As they shook hands, Roy looked into the man's eyes. They seemed to say thank you. The man did not say, but his eyes have language, you know. If you are angry, you can know from somebody's eyes. If you are crying, sorry. You can,
Yes,
if you
when we
are
see
happy,
anyone's eyes, we can know their feelings.
yes, because eyes have such language. No need of words. Your eyes will express your feelings. Page number 14, you see. So the man,
Sir, we see the feeling of the person in the
yes,
eyes.
in the eye, gratefulness. That something he was not expecting, it is gratefulness. See, your 15 mark will be 1 mark question. Okay. Then 2 mark question, 5 will be 10 mark questions. Then 3 mark, then 5 mark. 3 mark, like this I will send, but understand one word MCQ, true or false. 15 mark objective will come from all the chapters. What chapters I told, from these chapters only it will come. Or maybe extract from some story. Don't be afraid. It is very easy question, you can do it. Then page number 14. They both knew the watch was not worth that much. Before turning to leave, the man wrote, I will be back to pick it up as soon as I can. Merry Christmas. So the man wished. Means he was no more angry on Roy. So he accepted Roy as his friend. Why? Because Roy gave him more than the worth. Why the man became happy? Because Roy gave him more money than the worth of the watch. So he wished Roy Merry Christmas. This shows that the man is not angry on Roy. The little story ended up on the half an hour before the clock striking altogether. So at that time, what happened? All the clocks in the shop, they rang at together. Okay. It can come by student. You are correct only, but you write Roy was not a pawnbroker. If it is coming, please write Roy was not a pawnbroker. Who were the two people? Were they shoppers or robbers? They were robbers.
Robert.
Robbers. Why the man gave a mocking smile?
As they want to
Because
rob
to
the
see
shop
the
and they knew that the
rye
owner of the shop is deaf and dumb.
and the rye was a deaf and dumb.
Yes. And they were robbing a good person. That's why the mocking smile was
By
there.
knowing the owner of the shop was deaf and dumb.
Yes. Who waited near the gate?
A young
Young
man.
or old? The young man.
A young man
The young
is
man.
waiting on the gate.
Yes.
The
Why he
young man,
waited?
the young man waited on the gate and the old man waited. Old
Yes.
man
Why,
came to the
why
counter.
did he waited? Can you tell? Why he waited there? He wanted to warn.
To see anyone is coming from that way,
Then
and they cannot see they are robbing.
Yes, yes. He can warn that somebody is coming. Okay. Then you see the little story ended on the half an hour with the clocks striking all together. So at that time, what happened? The clocks all made a particular sign together. So when the clocks sounded together, they spread a message of goodwill, hope, and faith. Okay. So by striking together, the clocks gave a message of hope, faith, and goodwill. Write down this. Suppose in the exam it will come, what message that the clocks give? The clocks gave a message of hope, faith, and goodwill. You please write down. Because there was no hostility,
yes,
there was no enmity, there was no violence. So the man who came to his shop to rob him became friends. They went with a goodwill. This shows that due to the striking of the clocks, their mind changed. Their mind was filled with hope, faith, and goodwill. Three words: hope, faith, goodwill. Please remember. Okay. The timepieces which had been looking on silently all the
सर
while,
वो के बाद क्या लिखा है फिफ्थ के बाद
hope or faith or goodwill.
F के बाद क्या है
Where?
यस सर
Hope, faith, goodwill. Godwill.
Sir, please tell the meaning of goodwill.
Yes, I will send by WhatsApp. I will send. You please see.
sir, side please.
Okay. I am sending by WhatsApp. And it will go to all of you. Please see. Okay. I have sent hope, faith, and goodwill. I have sent. You please see your WhatsApp. It has gone. You can note from there. Hope, faith, and goodwill. Three things. Okay. So the clocks struck together. Roy thought he could hear them. Which had been looking, Roy thought he could hear them. Their sweet musical message was filled with hope, the timeless message of peace on earth. Because we are human beings, we are coming for a peace, coexistence. Peace with each other. who don't want violence.
Sir,
Okay. What happened? It is chat box. Don't blame each other.
sir, what is the meaning of goodwill?
Goodwill means positive message for others, hoping the well-being of others. दूसरों का अच्छा जो उम्मीद करना उसको
Sir, what is the meaning of feet?
Sir means
peace, शांति, शांति, शांति.
Okay, sir.
Peace
sir
is
means
the equivalent to
hoping good for others.
yes, yes. We should always think that let God bless everybody, not me. Everybody God should bless. God should do the well-being of others. Then only we can remain. If we think I will be happy, I cannot. If we think of the happiness of others, naturally I will be happy. God will give me happiness. Okay, children. So, on earth, goodwill towards all was felt by the three men who stood at the old clock shop. So, the ending was that all were standing silently when the clocks were striking and making noise. So, there was a sense of well-being, peace, harmony. Did any doubt is there? You tell me. Then we will go to the question answer. 1 minute break I am giving you.
No sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
No sir, no doubt.
No
Okay, I
doubt.
will stop the clock to clean the board.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, nice.
No sir, no doubt.
Sir, please write the answers of the question on the board.
Music jam. मतलब क्या कहते हैं क्लास हो गया
Please go to the text.
Sir. Sir, please take the test of this chapter tomorrow.
Till time is there, we will discuss. No, why to waste time? Till 10 a.m. this class will continue. We will discuss today. You write in notebook afterwards, no problem. Don't write
Sir,
now.
please write the answers of the question on the board.
Yes, yes, yes. Because you know, children, anytime school will open. So keep the notebooks there. Because notebook five months are there. Always keep the notebooks up to date.
Akshay, please mute yourself.
Okay, Akshay, mute yourself. So, questions number 1. What made Robert think that the visitor was not really a shopper? Who can tell this? Answer 1. What made Roy think that the visitor was not
As
really?
the Raw has good experience of his customers.
Ra has good experience of customers.
Yes. Yes, I am writing due to his.
No sign of kindness in his eyes made Ray think that the person was not really a shopper.
Okay. Focus. See, don't advise each other. Due to his experience and wisdom, Roy could know that the man was not a shopper. Due to his wisdom, wise wisdom.
He
And
has an
experience.
experience of many years.
Yes. Why do you think he had come to the shop? To rob? For robbing? Yes.
Sir, we can write this.
Sir, wisdom is the attributive noun.
Now, wise wisdom. Okay, he is a wise man.
Sir, we have to write the question.
You write question and answer both. So, due to his experience,
सर हमें ये इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में लिखना है
English, in supplementary you have separate notebook na. One for main book, one for supplementary. 2 notebooks you maintain.
Yes, sir.
Because school will open means you have to show. Notebook 5 marks are there. Notebook 5 marks are there.
Sir,
Make
when will the school open?
who don't know. When government will tell, we are government servants. When government will tell open, we will open. Close, we will close. Yes. Don't know. How can I tell? I don't know. Okay. See, second one, why do you think he had come to the shop? He had come to the shop to rob, or you can write for the purpose of robbing. For the purpose of robbing. You can write to rob or for the purpose of robbing, both are correct.
सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये भी हो सकता है ना, शॉपर्स डू नॉट कम एट नाइट.
No, because his intention from his face, Roy knew that his intention is bad. From his face.
ओके सर.
Okay. अरे Kinjal is asking when the school कब open होगा. अरे we are also waiting the school to open. But government should give order. No, what we will do?
Done, sir.
Okay, third one. Let us go to the
No,
third
sir,
one.
please don't rub the board.
Okay, I am not robbing the board.
Sir, can you please read the second answer because the board is not clear.
Okay, see, he had come to the shop to rob oblique for the purpose of robbing. Both are correct. He had come to the shop to rob. Oblique you put. Oblique means class. Purpose, the purpose of robbing. Both are correct.
So write the answer of question 3.
How did Roy communicate with him? By pushing the notepad.
By actions and notepad.
By action and I am writing in short, you write full sentence. Pushing the notepad at him. Notepad. Both you write full sentence. Only keywords I am writing on the board. I am not writing full sentence. You write according to question, make sentence and write. Okay.
Sir, the full answer can be like
Full answer you can write like this.
communicated
Roy
the man by action and pushing the notepad at him.
Roy communicated with him by action and pushing the notepad at him. Full answer you can write. Then number 4 you know already, you told me. Okay. Yeah, with the shop owner was there.
Yes, sir.
No, and if
Then, sir.
to guard at the door. To guard at the door also you can add.
To guard at the door.
Yes. The man, it is correct only to guard at the door.
Done, sir.
Done. Number 4 is done. Number 5, Roy was not a pawnbroker. Why then he led money? What happened?
Sir, do not rub the board.
I am writing on the. Shall I write number 5?
Yes, sir. Please write.
Okay. 5 I will write. You complete.
So,
You
yes,
complete
sir, you
4. I
can
will
rub
write
all
5.
the.
Done, sir.
Sir, fourth वाले का आंसर लिख दो प्लीज.
Yes, sir, completed all the work of the board.
Very nice. We see all children are not intelligent. We have to wait for. See, when you go for a running race, all are not good runners. Similarly, in the studies also, all are not very smart. Those who are not smart, we should help. In running race, some will be first and second and third. All will not go first. Some will be last. Is not it. Similarly, in studies also, some will do nicely and fast. Some will be little bit late. You should wait for them. You should all go together. Okay. Then Roy was not a pawnbroker. Why then he lent money to people in exchange for their old watches and clocks? He helped needy people. He helped needy people who wanted money
Yes, he
urgently.
could not say no to the needy people.
Raj has written correctly. You please go through his answer. Roy was a very kind person. He was not a pawnbroker, someone who lends money, but he always helped people. That's why he lent money to people in exchange for the yes. Raj Singh's answer is 100% correct. Okay, please go through it. It is in the WhatsApp. You must be seeing this also. Raj Singh's answer, you please see. Okay. Raj Singh's answer, you see, one sentence you can avoid this one. What is a pawnbroker? He has written, you avoid that one. He was not a pawnbroker, that's all. Someone who lends money, we know, no need of writing this sentence, but you can write, but he always helped people in need. That's why he lent money to people in exchange for their old watches and clocks. Okay. The watch was nothing special, yet had great powers. In what sense did it have great power? Because answer 6 I am writing. Answer 6. The watch had great powers because it can be just I am writing. I will cover is there. Don't worry. It can be exchanged for some money, which will pull you out of a bad situation.
एटीएम का होगा.
Okay. See, the watch had great powers because it can be exchanged. It can be exchanged for money, which will pull you out of a bad situation. B is there. B on the top. It can be exchanged. It can be exchanged for money, which will pull you out of a bad situation. Correct. Seven, no. The man will not come to pick up the watch. Why you can say? Because he has taken more money than the cost of the watch. Hey, he has taken more money than the cost of the watch. So the man will not come back.
सर आपने लास्ट वर्ड क्या लिखा है?
सर आपने एक्सचेंज फॉर के बाद क्या लिखा है?
The watch had got great powers because it can be. I have written B on the top. B.
नो सर एक्सचेंज फॉर के बाद
For money, which will pull you out of a bad situation.
सर आपने लास्ट वर्ड क्या लिखा है?
Bad situation.
ओके सर.
SITUATION. Situation. SITUATION.
सर आपने कैन के बाद क्या लिखा है?
किसके पास? Okay. situation I am writing in the WhatsApp.
So can you repeat the answer of question number 7?
7, yes. 7 you write down. No, the man would never. No. You see, Raj has written again. You can see the answer of Raj in WhatsApp. He has said.
Done
it is
with
right
you, sir.
answer. No, I don't think the older man will come to pick up the watch. Raj has written. You can copy from Raj. 100%
But sir, he has
correct.
not written the reason.
Reason is not asked, but we can write because he got more money than the price of the watch. Because he got more money than the price of the watch. Correct? Then number 8. We will conclude after number 8.
Noted, sir.
1 minute to wait.
Noted, sir.
Okay, number 8. When did the unfriendly face of the visitor turn truly friendly? When all the clocks together. When all the clocks together struck together. When all the clocks struck together, or when all the clocks rang out. You can write rang out also. When all the clocks rang out, spreading the message of hope, goodwill you have written. You have written hope, goodwill and friendship. Okay, hope, goodwill and friendship. Okay, children, it is over. Please send the attendance by WhatsApp. I will write down. I have written also.
If both are present, sir.
Okay, Raj, in front of you send.
Vedant Nevada present, sir.
Yes, Vedant. Aditya.
Aditya
Grishma present,
You send in WhatsApp. WhatsApp I am opening. Yes.
Shruti Sagar present, sir.
Send by WhatsApp. Don't tell me.
Anushani present, sir.
Ansal, yes. Okay. Don't worry, Naina. Vansika written. Okay. Okay, children, why then? Okay.
Sir, Siddhika present.
Sir.
Siddhika here.
Shruti Sagar present, Shruti Sagar present, Shruti Sagar present, Shruti Sagar present, Shruti Sagar present.
Chetan, Akshay, Naina, Chetan, Akshay, Naina, Chetan. How many times? Chetan, yes. Nice.
Alexani
Stop
present,
recording.
sir. Alexani present, sir.